Before we get started, I just want to say all the things I'm using here are from the Dollar Tree. Hi guys, today I'll be showing you 2 gift ideas, so let's get started. Are the Grinch pills, and you can give this to anybody in your life that is grumpy. And these are super easy to make. So first you take out the jar out of the plastic, and you take off the label, and then you fill it with some green candy, and you just write Grinch pills on the label. Next up, we have the hot chocolate basket, and you can give this to anybody that likes sweets, or you just don't know what to get them for the holidays. So let's get started. So first you put in some filling, which you can find in the party section. You can put some marshmallows in there, but I think you should just put the marshmallows inside a goodie bag or like a zip-up bag. So you can give, if you're making a lot of these baskets, you can just spend 99 cents on just one bag of marshmallows. And you just put a mug inside there and just tuck in some socks, which I also saw that you can like roll it up to look, and then put it inside the mug to make it look like frosting. But you can just put in the hot chocolate, and that's it. Well, that's all for today, guys. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you all next time. Goodbye!